Okay, what is up, dudes? It's Kurt Gamer of everything here today. I got a problem about my iPod. It doesn't work anymore, and I lost my charger. I didn't know how to fix it, and don't turn on anymore. So can you help me fix it? Like this, it won't turn on. I'll show you. So, wait for a minute, dudes. This is my iPod over here. Let me show you to it. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, that's it, dudes. Okay, right now, it doesn't turn on, and just comment below if how to fix it. I just lost my charger, and so sorry, my tablet's inverted. So leave a like or subscribe. Thank you very much.